One of the biggest benefits of a wooden front door is how great it looks. As a natural and extremely versatile building material, wooden doors come in far wider range of design than their fiberglass or metal counterparts. The craftsmanship is clearly visible, which adds to the overall appeal. This appeal goes beyond just look, however, we challenge you to find any other door material that feels as good as wood. Their versatile means they can be tailored in size, wood type, and design specifically to your home and aesthetic, and because no two pieces of wood are exactly the same, you end up with a front door that is completely unique to you. The benefit of timber doors means that whether you perfect light wood, dark wood, painted surface, tight grain, wide grain, intricate design work, everything is possible. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video we discuss about the modern wooden door design. Doors today are made with both wood and plastic, but at the end of the day, to attain the strongest door possible, wood is the best. Wood has been used for plenty of years, and almost every door throughout the history of the world has been made with wood. Tough glass can also be used to make a door. It is just not as safe as having a fully completed strong wooden door design to protect your home. Wooden door design come in many shapes and sizes, and there is a variety of wood that you can use throughout. Teak has always been the first choice for all kind of wooden doors. Getting the right wooden door for your home may not be an easy task as there are so many designs to choose from, but there are a few favorites that provide for an excellent wooden door for your home. Given below are few great wooden door designs to help you make a better choice. Solid wooden doors are always something to choose first because they do not have a flair of beauty, but they do radiate a sense of strength that no other door can uphold. The classic, like anything else, are always something you should choose first, and this incredible door is testament to the fact. This is another great door that is surely to testament to the fact that teak doors are actually the most perfect wooden door available in the market. The door is strong, thick, welcoming, insect resistance that has the ability to maintain any design that you want to be carved into door to increase the fashion factor of your home. This is also a classic that is compatible with both teak and any other wood. Paneling done on the door is as per what you want and can be altered in any way that you want. This is a base design that is actually quite popular and is used on both flats and villa homes. Office buildings also take up using this door for a variety of their office homes. The flush door is another very popular door design that has slowly become wider used around the world. The flush door design looks simple but requires some hard work to complete and maintain. To fully imitate this design, a professional carpenter must be hired. Glass can be used very well with wood, and this design is testament of the fact. Glass like this door can also be maintained on a variety of other designs of your choice because at the end of the day everyone has a unique choice in regards to their home. We know no limits when you have enough resources to make a great door. Tough the design can be altered to your choice. This door design is very popular. The door can be made with any kind of wood, but teak is the best to get that completely finished and strong feel. Teak can be designed in any way, and this makes it a great wood to use for a variety of door design. More than that, teak has a lifetime warranty which makes it resistant to almost everything except fire. Teak is also protected from termites, which is a very good way of keeping your home protected. Wooden patio doors are a great option where space is essential, providing a seamless transition between the inside and outside. Marvin patio door has a narrow profile in order to provide a larger glass area, filling the room with natural light. The white glass of this door appeals both aesthetically and functionally while providing energy efficiency and security. The door can be combined with supportive multi-point locking system. Modern design team will support you in choosing the best option for your patio door, such as size, color, wood species, glazing, and hardware. Style offer your space a peaceful from the noise of the world with controllable acoustics. The strength and flexibility of the hardware is what hold it all together and makes any structure sustain. A chain of aluminum window and door showroom present a series of slim windows with large opening and sleek design which give uninterrupted view of the world outside. It not only provides one-touch smooth operation but should also add an elegant look to the aesthetic of your surroundings. Alongside aesthetic, Slim series have properties that shut out disturbance like noise, dust, water, thereby ensuring good functionality and making your house feel comfortable. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.